Hello everyone, hope everyone is fine. And here is a vet clinic scheduling project. So why I make this project? Because I just gave you short introduction. Like managing a veterinary clinic comes with its own unique set of challenges, especially when it comes to scheduling, appointments, managing client and patient record, and ensuring accurate billing. That's where the vet clinic scheduler steps in. Designed to streamline clinic operation, this innovative solution improves appointment scheduling efficiency, enhance client and staff experiences, and provide a reliable way to handle billing and reporting. Built with a client-server architecture, the vet clinic scheduler leverages C Sharp, .NET, and SQLite for robust performance. From secure data management to a user-friendly interface, this system is your all-in-one solution to simplifying veterinary clinic management. In this video, we will explore how the vet clinic scheduler is working, operating, and giving a useful and helpful knowledge to developers and students. Thank you. Basic Studio, and here I am execute my project. It just takes some time to execute. And here is the login form. Here you can see that the GIF picture, and here there is history and login. I already have a username and password registered in this project, so I will just put this one. Username is now and password is where I will put it. So we are landed on home window, and it gives the message, welcome to vet clinic scheduler, whatever the username we just put in over here. In this project I made like almost 6 or 7 tabs. Yeah, it's home tab, client tabs, animal tabs, appointment tab, invoices, reports, search, and about us. So we will just go through one by one. First, home client tab. So here we go. List this client. Okay, so we will add a new client. $1,000 waterfront. Street email is peter@gmail.com. Contact, we can put just any random. Here's guys, on every field, it just tell you what you have to put. Like here, we have to put the unique client ID, client name, address, email, and enter 10-digit client number of the contact number of the client. So here is 10-digit number. You just put add client. So it gives the client ID number 4 because I deleted the client ID 3. So this client ID is automatically managed by a system because to make it unique, we just put this system setting, like system would automatically generate new ID. Okay, so that's why it did not give the 3 number because I already deleted the number 3 before that. If I delete this 4, so it will generate number 5. So here we can do update, right? We can put any information. Suppose if we want to update this one, you just add surname. You can see that it's updated. So next we're going to animal page. So it will fetch record by client ID. See, I just put the client ID 4, fetch record for that client ID. If I put client ID 3, record not found. So here we put animal name. Just enter animal name, animal type is dog. So 3 animal type dog, cat, rabbit, and animal breed will change according to it. So here we put poodle, the age option 3 years. What ailment he have? Just put allergy. Here's the medical history option. Just vaccination record. Here we go. Just you can see that animal is added over here. Just clear the text. And same thing we can do that. Add animal, delete animal, update animal, and delete multiple animal records and just clear that. Next, we are going to the appointment tab. So when we are going to the next tab, so we don't have to enter much data. So it's relational database project. So it will fetch data by client ID. See, I put the number 4. So now it will give us client ID 4, customer name, contact, animal name, animal type, and animal ailment. Okay, from client table and from animal table. And here we select doctor name or veterinary name. Here we select Olivia Jones. And here's the date. Okay, and one thing about the date, we can't go backward. So either we select the current date or we have to select the future date. But can't book appointment for previous date because we can't do that. And for the time, just select any time. And here again buttons, schedule appointment, modify appointment, cancel appointment, and delete multiple appointments. So first we have to schedule. Okay, so now the appointment is scheduled with this field. We can client ID, customer name, contact, animal, animal type, every detail is here. So we just clear. Okay. After appointment, we just go to invoices because it's for front desk dashboard. I mean, mainly designed for front desk. Otherwise, we can implement more tabs like for doctor's tab, or we can manage the record for animals and their history or everything. But mainly it works for a front desk. So after that, here we don't have to put any data. It's fetched by client ID. Client ID is the primary key of this whole project. Okay, so all these detail just come from client table, animal table, and here's the invoice date. It should be just current date. You can't change the invoice date, whatever the current day. So you have to generate the invoice for that date. For the project here, we just choose every service have $100 bill charge for, like if the general checkup is $100, if vaccination is 100 plus, is see $200. If we put any other service, is $300. Okay. So if client takes three services, so billing amount should be $300. And here the discount. No discount, 10%, 15, 20, whatever. Just give, like here we give 10% discount. So the calculation is done by the programming logic. You don't have to calculate anything because saving of time and insert correct data in the database. See, so with the discount, whatever the amount, the goes into the database. Here we can see that client ID 4, invoice number is random generated by system, invoice date, customer name, customer contact, animal name, animal type, services vertic, and according to the service. If one service is $100, multiple, so it's $200, $300, and here's the discount. And after discount, here is the amount. So now we are going to the next step, reports. What the report tabs do, it will generate all the record what we have in invoice. So we have a three record. So here we can see that. So next is print report. If we have a printer installed with the system, it will print a report. Otherwise, we just make it cancel. And here the export report. So we can export any report and save it in the Excel format. Okay, if we want to save. Okay, and here's the, it gives the message, and here we can clear the reports. Okay, and after that, here is search tab. So in this thing, again, I told you like the client ID is the primary key. The whole project is revolving around client ID. And I just put client ID. Okay, so we have to put the client ID, or we can search any record with that client ID, like client record. So here we just get the information of client, And if you want to search animal record, it's also related to the client ID. So we can search animal record by client ID. Next one is appointment record. Here we go. It will be searched by client ID. Here invoice, again it will come with client ID. We just make it clear. And here is search by name. You just put first letter of name. So we have a two record by the letter of P, Prince Sharma Peter. Search by name is out and search by animal name. So we just have a first letter, search by animal. So animal name is body and it will come over here. Next thing is select by date, search by date, sorry. And so day and here we go. So search by date option is here. You can see that the date and it will come over here. Let's make it clear. And here is the about us tab. This tab just merely show the where is the cleaning located, because sometime on phone customer ask you the address or anything, so you can just go to this tab and tell them everything for that cleaning. Okay, so now we will exit. Okay, so one is the primary benefit to save report in Excel. So it has some benefits like it's work as a backend or backup for the data. Here we can see we can back up these records and we have everything in Excel format. And what is the another benefit of that? We have a data analysis. We can use this report to generate data analysis. Like here we can do that. So with the Excel report, we can take this data and generate these things. Most taken services by customer at vet clinic in 2024. So here you can see the pie chart, which service taken by the customer. Vaccination is 33% and other services. Here you can see every service with this chart. And here is another thing, vet clinic income in 2023. What's the gross income and what is the net income? Okay, by month. So here we can see month by month detail of the income. So this is the benefit to generate these reports.